So I've been asked what happens when you get stuck in a dream. Can you get out? Is it something that you never really get over, or is it just something that randomly happens sometimes? So when you get stuck in a dream, you never really, you can always escape the dream by just waking up, right? So you can either open your eyes, close your eyes, spin around, tell yourself to wake up. There are loads of different ways you can use, different techniques you can use to wake up from a dream. But the idea is that sometimes you can feel like you're trapped and that time is sort of standing still. Now, I've made other videos about time dilation in lucid dreams. This is a bit different. This is more sort of to do with being held in a lucid dream and feeling like you can't get out. And this happens usually for only one reason, and that's because you're not completely lucid. So as I've said before, there are different layers of lucidity. I believe there are 1 to sort of 5 or 6 layers. Each one is different and has a definite sort of distinction as to what makes it that layer. There's sort of like a turning point or a point that you go past where you're in a certain layer of lucidity. And so when you feel like you're stuck in a lucid dream, often you're not completely lucid, because if you were, you'd be able to tell yourself, I'm in control here. You can decide to wake up, you can decide to make the dream longer, shorter, whatever the case is. If you feel like you're stuck in a lucid dream, the chances are you're not completely lucid. You're just sort of on the edge of layer 1. So you're just starting to become aware and in control of the dream situation, but you're not completely, the boss. You're not completely in control. You can't decide exactly what happens. And it sort of feels like you're aware of the dream and you as the dreamer, but you can't quite control it. And so it's almost like watching yourself from above. If you imagine you're sort of up here, watching yourself from a third point of view. And that's why you feel like you're not in control and it feels like you're sort of stuck, right? And yeah, it can be scary, but at the end of the day, all it is a normal dream that you're slightly more aware of. You're slightly more lucid in, okay? And the truth is, although it feels like you're stuck, you're never going to really be stuck for more than about 1 to 2 minutes, probably maximum 3 to 5 minutes, because that's the average dream length, and any longer than that, and it would be almost impossible. You can never be stuck in a lucid dream for more than an hour or, anything like that. The problem is, and the reason that this sort of gets a lot of attention, especially on forums and things like Reddit, is because one sort of minute in the dream can feel like a lot longer, up to 10 times as much. So 1 minute can feel like 10 minutes, okay? And this means that, like I said before, with time dilation, you feel like you're spending longer in there, even though you're only actually there for a minute. So it can feel like you're stuck there for a long time, especially if you are just teetering on the edge of lucidity and you're just, 1 minute you're aware and lucid, then the next minute you slip back into a normal dream. And this sort of mixture creates like a brain fog where you don't really know how long you've been in there, okay, because you've never really been conscious completely. It's sort of like when you have a nap in the middle of the day and you're just sort of dozing off, and because you're sort of flickering between being conscious and being asleep, you could have a 5-minute nap, but it might feel like 5 hours. And it's the same sort of thing, because you're not completely conscious and you're sort of on the edge and you never really know whether you're lucid or dreaming or awake or whatever. It feels like longer, and that's why if you feel like you're stuck during that process, it can feel like a long time. But really, it's nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just keep practicing your reality checks, keep lucid dreaming, keep meditating, and the problem will go away on its own. It's nothing to really worry about. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have a question, please leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.